In this video, I'll be showing you how to enter BIOS settings in Windows 11 and 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, all you want to do is go over to Start right here, and then all you want to do is go to Power, so click this Power button, and you're going to see Restart as one of the options, but you don't want to click it normally. What you want to do is on your keyboard, hold down your left Shift key, and then go ahead and press it. So I'm going to go over and press and hold down my left Shift key and then restart. Now, once you do that, it's going to be restarting. Just keep your Shift key held down, and then you're going to basically just be able to enter the BIOS like this. So I'm still keeping it held just in case, and then just wait for your PC to restart, and then you're going to be able to enter the BIOS that way. Now, I have multiple monitors, not sure exactly which one it's going to go on, but if you have multiple monitors like I do, then it is going to appear on one of them, and you'll just have to see which one. And obviously, if you only have one monitor, then that's fine as well. And as you can see, it just instantly says please wait. So now I'm just gonna have to wait for my BIOS to show up on my right monitor, even though that's not my main one. Just for the BIOS, depending on which slot you have your DisplayPort HDMI in, it's gonna come like that. So now it's gonna show like this, and it's gonna say choose an option. So what I want to do is I want to press troubleshoot, then go to advanced options, then go to UEFI firmware settings. So I just want to go ahead and click on that. It says restart to change your UEFI firmware settings. So that's all I want to go ahead and do. I'm just going to restart the PC again, and then just wait for that to load up. But yeah, now as you can see, all I have to do is go ahead and press delete on my keyboard, and now I'm in the BIOS, and it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.